Now let's see what are the various properties of multiplication. Okay, the first property say that property of 0. Let's say what does this property says? Any number multiplied by 0 will be 0. So if I multiply any number with 0, my answer will be 0. For example, 25 into 0 will be 0. 0 into 100 will be 0. 1 into 0 will be 0. So any number which I multiply with 0 will give me 0. Clear? The next property is property of 1. So property of 1 says any number multiplied by 1 will be the number itself. Okay, any number if I multiply by 1, the answer will be the number itself. For example, 25 into 1 will be 25. That is the number itself. 1 into 100 will be 100. Okay, then say 50 into 1 will be 50. So here this rule states that if I multiply any number by 1, my answer will be the number itself. Clear? Now the third one is order property. So what does the order property has to do? Order property says that the product remains unchanged even if the order of the multiplicand changes. So what does it mean? If I write say 25 into 3 or 3 into 25, my answer will be same 75. Similarly, I write 1 into 100 or 100 into 1, my answer will remain the same 100. Okay. So which means that if I am going to change or shuffle the order of the multiplicand, my answer, that is the product, will not be changed. It will remain the same. Okay. So to give you a brief intro of what we have learned so far, the first one is property of 0, which states that any number when multiplied by 0 will be 0. Okay. So if you multiply any number with 0 in either multiplicand form, the answer will be 0. The second one, property of 1, states that any number multiplied by 1 will be the number itself. As I showed you the example, if it is 25 into 1 or 1 into 25, the answer will be the same 25. Okay. And the last property, that is order property, states that the product will remain unchanged even if the order of the multiplicand shuffles. Okay. So the answer will not get affected. The product will not get affected. So these are the basic rules of multiplication based on which we will be solving our sums.